Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram ad post to your story or how to fix ad post to your story on Instagram. To start, open your settings application in your mobile device. Once here, click on Apps. In here, you can scroll down or use the search bar to search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram. The first step is to click on Force Stop. Once done, go to Storage, and then in here, clear cache on Instagram. Once done, you may now go back. Then, the next step is to go over to your Play Store, and then search for Instagram, and then in here, you'll either need to update your Instagram. Once done updating, you can now open your Instagram application, and then you can now post your story. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.